Hey guys, progress FS on this one. Just a quick recap on why I sold gold twice, Monday and Tuesday today. I told you people in the gold weekly analysis that gold is going to sell to get to this support level. Yeah, and as you can see, the price finally touched this support level, and I will tell you why people were buying gold today, Tuesday. I was busy selling. Reason is, this is the trend line for the last week, that is from Monday to Friday trend. And from Monday it went up, Tuesday, and then branched, what they call impulse correction, and of course from Wednesday to Friday it got to this extent. Now here is the fact: the trend line is this, and on Monday there was break of structure at this point. So I waited to see if the price is going to come down to this 50% of the trend, which is the resistance, supposed to act as the support level, and the price did not come. One moment, let me show you this with Fibonacci retracement. Alright guys, so with this I already set to this the way I wanted, so it's just the same Fibonacci you use, but I had it set to the way I wanted it. I usually like to apply it inverseward when I'm measuring the area I would want the price to get to before I proceed to the positive trend, because with the inverseward I can be able to tell exactly the point I would like to buy. If not that today it's already 5 p.m, I would do say there's nothing wrong if I make entry here, because I'm still going to at least make up to 200 pips. Yeah, but I wouldn't do that because I don't like over trading. Alright guys, I told you that there was another block here, yeah, which motivated the price to continue trending up last week, and that was why I had to apply this shape. And when you look at the same other block, you find out that there was also a support, probably what you can also refer to as demand and supply area, at the same spot, so signifying that there is every need for the price to retest to that extent. That was why immediately there was a break of structure of the trend and the price could not get here. I know fully well that obviously it's going to retrace back to almost the breakout point, and of course sell back to the same zone. That was why I sold gold on Monday and today, Tuesday. On the screen, as you can see, is the Telegram channel, the MT5, Twitter, Facebook, so the signals and the trades, so you know that we are real and out for it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. Ensure you are in every of my channels, because I do post all the notifications every day. Bye for now.